Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy Dahi, full guide. Heat milk to 85 degrees C and cool to 40 degrees C before adding starter. Use full-fat milk for a richer result and an active starter for predictable tang. Maintain gentle, even warmth during incubation without stirring. Chill the Dahi after setting to firm up texture and develop flavor. I will walk you through timing, temperature cues, and simple troubleshooting tips to get bring milk to a gentle boil, stirring occasionally to prevent scorching and to concentrate cream slightly. Let the milk cool until it feels warm but not hot, about 40 degrees C, so the starter survives. Pour into clean, non-reactive containers and avoid plastic that may retain odors. Keep the environment clean and free of drafts to protect cultures. These steps ensure a smooth base for fermentation and help the Dahi set uniformly. Stir in a small amount of active yogurt or culture evenly into cooled milk, following recommended ratios for flavor and thickness. Maintain a stable incubation temperature between 35 degrees C and 45 degrees C to encourage steady fermentation and proper texture. Avoid moving or opening the containers while the Dahi sets, since disturbance can cause grainy texture. If your environment is cool, use an oven light or insulated box. Check gently after the expected set time and chill to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.